Apply one pump of One Step Correct to the back of your hand. Apply on the face, targeting any blemishes or areas of discoloration. Blend out until it melts into the skin. Choose your shade of Hide and Chic fluid foundation based on your skin tone and undertone. Skin tone can adjust based on external factors like sun exposure or the environment. Your undertone is the natural color found under the skin surface that never changes. Shake to activate the good for you ingredients. To find a perfect match, swatch 3 shades on the jawline. Choose the shade that best suits your skin tone. Once you found your shade, pump foundation on the back of your hand, then apply to the face with your fingertips until you achieve the desired coverage. Apply convertible color to the apples of the cheeks with your fingertips, and blend outwards and upwards towards the temple. Apply Heaven's Hue highlighter with your fingertips to the cheekbones and high points of the face, such as the bridge of the nose, to create the perfect natural highlight. Apply suede shade in a nude shade, such as Sassy, directly to the lid with the doe foot applicator. Blend out with a blending brush. Then, add a second shade, such as Midnight Espresso, to the outer corner of the eye, blending up into the crease. Apply Stale Day liquid eyeliner at the lash line with small short strokes, connecting each one. Swoop up at the end and angle off to create a feline flick. Apply Magnum XXX mascara to the lashes, wiggling upward and out. Apply Stale Day liquid lipstick in a nude tone, such as Nudo Shimmer, using the applicator. Start at the center of the top and bottom lips and blend out. Wait to dry and then apply Beauty Boss lip gloss in shade Elevator Pitch with the applicator tip.